and it's gonna take courage to escape the bubble of nuclear, that's what we're here to do. But there's a crisis with the climate that's affecting the globe, and we're looking for solutions that are ready to go. But as you know, it takes a little time to evolve, so let's grow and innovate until the problem is solved. We've got to be bold, become the agents of change, and think about the four behaviors that we can arrange. It starts with you, so let's keep the targets in view and gather all our energies to make the future nuclear. Yeah, I'm talking to you, and well actually to all of the room. We tried all the other ways to cut the carbon back, but now society is needing you to pick up the slack. Because for energy production, the evidence is clear. To achieve clean goals, then we need nuclear. And so it really is incredible we're here together, because to succeed it will need a team endeavor. So let's challenge the norms in the way we do. Are you clear? Nuclear, it's what we're here to do. Encouraging a diverse perspective too. Are we clear? Nuclear, it's what we're here to do. Let's lead by example and become a role model. You clear? Nuclear? But it's gonna take courage to escape the bubble. Are you clear? Nuclear? So on the one hand there's safety, on the other is innovation. One relies on caution, and the other inspiration. But the two must function hand in hand for any operation to succeed. How to find a balance is the vital question. We need the brightest minds, but we have to build them first. Through an education system that is thriving and diverse, then attract them to the sector and make room for them to grow, so they broaden the perspectives and challenge the status quo. We've had enough of the same old approaches and views, the old solutions that need to be reformed and renewed. And there's a multitude of industries that should be reviewed to assess what can be learned from the methods they use. And it's true that you could also learn a lot from each other by sharing the goals and ambitions that we're here to discover. So what's the role we're gonna play to set agendas today and bring about a new tomorrow in the boldest of ways? So let's challenge the norms in the way we do. Are you clear? Nuclear? Encouraging a diverse perspective too. Are you clear? Nuclear? Let's lead by example and become a role model. You clear? Nuclear? And it's gonna take courage to escape the bubble. Are we clear? Nuclear? Excellent.
The amazing Jon Chase there.